Hello?
Calling from. Am I speaking with Karthikeyan?
Hello, I couldn't hear you. A little bit louder, please.
Yes, am I speaking with Karthikeyan?
Yes, who is this?
Yes, I'm Subhan, calling from Asus, sir.
Oh, Subhan, Asus. What is Subhan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we have forwarded your concern to our team, sir,
Okay.
for your concern regarding the services of your issue of
Hmm.
underglow RGB
Yes.
LED issue.
That you
Yes.
have tampered. That your service person has tampered.
Yes, sir. It was diagnosed into the service center, and it was found that there is a third-party rework on your device.
Yes, I
So
know already about that. I'm speaking about not about the motherboard. I'm speaking about the RGB LED board which you have tampered.
it is not confirmed yet, sir, it is tampered or not, because during the services we don't have any tampered from our side, sir. We have found the
So
three-party
can I do
rework on
one
your
thing?
device.
You said that you say, give diagnosis for the into the service center, right? For free of cost. When I want to give the laptop to the service center.
Whenever, sir, you want, sir, as we have already forwarded the concern
Okay, I'll
to
do
our
one
team.
thing. By Wednesday, I will submit to the Compuage located in Tatabat in Coimbatore. If at all you found anything in motherboard, let me know. I will be responsible. If not, the motherboard is not
Once
found
it is diagnosed only.
any issues, I'm not responsible. You have to pay for it.
Once it is diagnosed only, then they will be able to tell you, sir,
I'm
because
saying it
it
was
still
already
remains an
diagnosed by the
investigation.
Chennai Nungambakkam. They said that they need to change the LED board.
Yes, sir. So as we have forwarded the concern to our
Before
team
giving the
members.
laptop, the LED board was not working fine. I have a video for that. After the keyboard replacement only, LED board is not working. I'm speaking about the
Uh,
LED board only, not about the motherboard.
yeah, I totally understand that, sir. We have already spoke about
I
that, sir.
won't give
We had a
diagnosing
conversation
charges.
about that.
Yes, I know completely that LED board is the only problem.
Yes, sir.
So
So
I
the case
won't
has been
give the
already
diagnosing
escalated, sir.
charges. If it is diagnosed that the LED board is only the problem, you have to replace it at free of cost as your authorized service center had made damage. If there is a
Once it
problem
is
in the
diagnosed,
motherboard, I will be responsible.
once it is diagnosed, sir, our team has reverted that once it is diagnosed, then we will be able to tell you. If there is
Okay.
any damage found in your device, then the services will be on chargeable basis.
No, if there is a problem, why should I to pay? You have tampered my laptop, LED board. Why should I to pay?
This is you are telling these things, sir, but we don't have any reports like that
Okay,
that
let
was
me do one
damaged.
thing. Let me go to the consumer code apps because I have every videos for your diagnosis and every reports. So I'll go to the consumer
I
code.
really
That's
apologize.
fine. Well and good. Let's
I
conclude.
really apologize.
Last time when you spoke with me, I said that if you found any problem on the motherboard, I will be responsible. That is Karthikeyan is responsible. If there is no problem issue in the motherboard and the RGB LED board is the only problem which is a half an inch size
Sir,
only,
if the
which
main
is
board
the
is having problem,
problem.
it can be the problem
Just
in
let
your
me
device.
tell. Just let me finish it first. If it is a problem, then you have tampered my LED board. Okay? You have to pay for it. You are not willing to
I really
agree for
apologize,
my
sir, but
conditions.
I really apologize for that, sir, but we don't have any information that it
Okay,
was
okay.
tampered.
I'll move with the consumer court itself.
Yes, I
Thank you
can
for
understand your
assisting
concern, and I
me
really
for
apologize.
the bad experience of the authorized service center and you Asus. Thank you. Is there
I
anything else?
really apologize for that, sir.
Okay, let me see
I
you in
really
the
apologize
consumer
for
court.
that, sir,
Thank
but
you,
as
Suvan. Thank you.
in
Thank
the
you.
diagnosis we have found that there is a third party rework on
Swan,
your
you,
device.
I am really
So,
telling you that before the replacement of the keyboard, the RGB LED
yes, sir,
under the
we have
panel
already
is
found
working.
that.
After the keyboard replacement only it is not working. That I am saying that if you found any problem with the motherboard, I will be responsible. If the problem is only with the LED, RGB LED, you are responsible and you have to pay for it. You ask because your technician engineer has tampered my RGB LED. I'm not talking
Haven't you
about the
checked the same
motherboard.
thing, sir, at the time of collecting of device, sir?
Sir, I already said that by the daylight time I couldn't find the flickering
So it
issue.
was working. It was
No,
working,
no, it
right?
was not
That you checked
working.
some settings.
By night time
Was
when
not working.
just a moment. By night time only I found the issue of the flickering. Immediately I reported to the that service coordinator named Sita. I have sent her a video immediately. When I found the flickering. Understand that? By daylight I couldn't find that. By night time only I found that it is flickering. I immediately
Don't
reported
have
the
any
complaint
information that
to
the
the
issue was
service
from
coordinator
motherboard.
and gave the laptop to. They asked me to bring the laptop. I was in Pollachi, which is 600 kilometers from Chennai. I immediately
It
gave
needs
them
to
by
be checked at the
Tuesday.
time. It need to be checked at the time of the collection of the device, sir. Whenever you
Sir,
collect your
by
device, you need to
daylight
check
time
all
I
things at the time.
couldn't see it in my naked eye.
Um, really apologize for that, sir, but it needs to be checked at the time of the services whenever you pick
Okay,
your
let me see
laptop
in the
from the
consumer
services,
code.
sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I really apologize for that, sir. I'll highlight it again to our consulting.
You
And
can highlight it. Please don't call me again. You're disturbing me a lot.
yes, sir, but the issue was found. There is a
Issue is on your side. Please, I try
problem.
to accept it. Always blaming my side. You have
We have
tampered the
already
motherboard.
forwarded.
If
We
I
have
have
already
tampered the
forwarded
motherboard,
our
why
team.
does the system is working right now? Why does the laptop is working now? Except the LED RGB lighting.
We have already forwarded,
Don't
and
behave
our
like
team has already
don't
investigated the
behave
case, sir.
too conscious kind of guy. You have made a mistake. Your technician had made a mistake. You are simply blaming me that you have tampered the motherboard. I'm not speaking about the motherboard itself first. Yes,
Sir,
because the
how
laptop is
we can
working
know
fine,
that?
you have tampered the RGB LED.
How we can know that, sir, that it was issue
If
with the
if
services?
I want to prove
It
it,
needs to be
I
checked at the
have to
time.
submit the laptop to your service center. That is, you won't charge me for diagnosing charges. Okay. Then,
It needs to be
if you
checked at the
found
time
that
of collection of the device.
I'm challenging, I'm open, giving an open challenge. If there is a motherboard issue, I will be wholly responsible and pay the amount. If only the RGB LED is the problem and it has been replaced, you are responsible. I am saying so. If there is a
Sir, it was
motherboard
already
problem, I
diagnosed.
will pay the whole amount which you ask for.
It was already diagnosed, and they found the third
Sava,
party rework,
Muruga.
right?
Oh my God,
They,
just skip this nonsense. Again, I am speaking the same thing. You are saying
okay,
you
no
are
issue, sir. I'm
understanding.
highlighting it
You
again to
are
our
not
concerned team.
understanding at all. Just hang up the call. I am very tired of speaking with you guys. It's almost right now 7 minutes. Last time I spoke with you for 30 minutes saying the same thing. I'm saying simply if the motherboard is tampered and if there is an issue, I will pay for it. If the motherboard is not an issue and the LED is the problem, you are responsible. That's it. Thank you.
Sir, as you also mentioned that, sir, the motherboard was tampered. It was previously diagnosed only. It
Tampered
was
means
already
for
diagnosed.
servicing
It
purpose
was
I
three.
have tampered it.
It
That's
was
it.
three.
It's working
It
properly.
was three third party rework. So it
Sir, you
needs
are a
to
third party for
it's
me right now.
tampered, sir.
As because I paid for the keyboard replacement, you have
It is,
damaged the other
sir.
part in my laptop.
Wherever you repaired your device, that
Sir, wherever
the
repaired,
third party
you are a third party for me, as because I have paid for the service. You are a third party customer, you are a person for me.
sir, wherever you repaired your device,
Sir,
wherever you repaired your motherboard,
can you
the
understand? You are a
service
third
center.
party for me right now, as I have paid for the service.
Sir, could you please let me complete the sentence, sir?
I am asking, are
Hello.
you a third party to me, or I am in a warranty period, are you, I am a customer to you?
If you are repairing it from the third party, sir, which is not our ASUS authorized service center, so that service center is third party to us,
So
sir.
the third party
Have
have to
repaired
be
the device.
paid, right?
Hello, you have repaired the device with the
Yes,
third
I
party,
have
and
repaired.
it is
Instead of 52,000 rupees for replacing the motherboard, I have replaced it for 2,000 rupees only. Who is willing to pay for 52,000 rupees?
sir, we don't repair at chip level in our authorized service
Sir,
center, sir.
just get the call hung up. I am very disturbed of you guys. I am very getting angry. If you
Okay,
are
no
not
issue, sir.
willing,
As
just
you are
hang
not
up the
agreeing,
call. I am not willing to speak with
as you
you.
are not agreeing,
I am
as
not
you
going to say it again and again. Just don't just convince me. I am going to consumer court. That's it.
as you are not agreeing with this, sir, I'm highlighting
I
it
have
again.
every proofs of every videos recorded everything. Do you
Okay, no
have
issue,
any
sir. I'm
video
highlighting
recorded
it
of
again
my
to our.
laptop service?
Um, I'm highlighting it again to our concern team, sir.
You can highlight
Please
it.
wait.
Please don't call me again. By the last time when you called, I said that the next time you call, you should agree or I should agree. I'm not agreeing with your policies. Because you
we
have
have
tampered.
already
Yes,
escalated the
because
concern.
you are a
So
third party
this is
to
the
me
best
right
possible
now.
solution.
You have tampered my laptop. That's
This
it.
is the best possible solution from our team.
Okay, then I'll go to the
They ask
consumer
you to.
court. Just hang up the call. That's
They
it.
ask you.
That's it.
They ask
Please
you
hang
to
up the call. Don't speak with me.
really apologize for that, sir. But they
Please
ask you to
don't.
submit the device
You
to the
can you
service center.
understand the situation? What I'm speaking? Please hang up the call.
Okay, no issue, sir. I'm highlighting it, the concern again to our
Please don't
concern
call
team.
me again.
They will
Immediately right
kindly
away
wait.
I will place the complaint to the consumer court. Thank you.
Kindly wait for 72 working hours.
No, 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 no.
In
I'm
72
not
working hours,
interested
you'll
in
get
that.
the reward.
Please don't call me. I'm
If it is
saying
required, sir,
please
our team
don't
directly
call
contact you.
me. Last time itself, I said that if you want a call, you have to accept my open challenge. Again,
Yes,
you're
that is
calling me and you have to wait for 72 hours. The day is going
that
by.
that is the same thing I'm telling you, sir. As we have
I am not
forwarded, our team
agreeing to
asked you
pay
to
for
first
the
check.
RGB LED lighting. If at all problem with the motherboard, I am ready to pay. Do
Yes,
you
sir, we have
understand?
already forwarded. Sir, we have already forwarded this concern to our team, and our team
Your
has
team
asked
is
you to
working
submit the
for
device.
past 3-4 weeks, but no solution has been found according to
Yes,
my
but they are.
thing. You are
Yes,
speaking
but
on
they
your
are
own
requesting
policy.
it from
Asus
long
has
time.
a policy. If Asus has a policy, I too have a policy. I don't
Yes.
believe in you
So,
guys. You are worst
hello.
engineers in your Compuage in Infocom Limited, who is an authorized service center. Worst service.
They, sir, our team is requesting you to from long time to submit the device into the service center first. They will
Yes, I
diagnose the
am
issue,
not
then they will be
willing
able
to.
to tell you, sir.
I am not willing to pay for it. You have to replace. I am giving a
That's
open challenge. If the
that's why I'm
LED is
telling you, sir.
tampered, you have to pay for it. I am not willing to pay for it. I'm
That's
ready
why
to
our
give
team
the
asking
device
you
to
to.
the Compuage in Tadabad, Coimbatore, but I won't pay a single penny, single rupee.
Totally understand your
If
concern,
the
sir. But
if they found any issue in the motherboard, I will ready to pay for it. Yes, because you say you have tampered the motherboard, but I am saying if the motherboard is tampered and doesn't work, I am responsible for it. But if the only the RGB LED is the problem, you have to pay for it. Yes, you have tampered my RGB LED. Can you understand? I'm saying the same thing for past 2 weeks. I'm willing to pay if the motherboard is only the problem. But I'm not willing to pay if the RGB LED is the only problem. You have to pay for the RGB LED. Do you understand it clearly? If there is a motherboard issue, I am willing to pay the total cost. If there is no issue in the motherboard, you have to pay for it. Yes, you have tampered my RGB LED while servicing the laptop. Do you understand the conditions? I am supporting you also right now. If there is an issue in the motherboard, I am willing to pay for it. If there is no issue in the motherboard, you have to pay for it. Yes, because you have tampered it. That is the problem. I am speaking under justifically under a condition. If I am wrong, I am willing to pay for it. But I am complaining you. You are wrong. You have tampered my RGB LED. You have to pay for it. If I am wrong, I am willing to pay for it. If you are wrong, you have to pay for it. That's it. I am saying. I am giving an open challenge to you. You Asus people doesn't understand my conditions. You have your own policy, but I have my own policies. You have tampered it, but I have to pay for it. Why should I to pay for it? Okay, that's it. That's it for today. Please don't call me again. Just if you are willing to pay, if the RGB LED is the only problem, I will be giving the laptop to the diagnosing in the service center, Compuage Infocom, located at Tatabat, Coimbatore. Please don't call me again and get me angry about this part. Else, I'll go to the consumer court as I have proof for the proof and evidences properly.
we have already escalated this concern to our team.
Okay, done. Thank you. Then thank you. To please don't justify your nonsense to me.
No, sir, this is the reward from our team.
Okay, please don't call me. I'll go to the consumer court. Simple. Leave it. Don't call me.
I'll highlight it again to our concern team, sir.
Okay, I don't wait for 72 hours. I'm going to make a complaint right away now. Thank you. Bye bye.
That is there anything else apart from this, sir?
No, please don't call me. Is there anything apart from this? Is that please don't call me once again and make me irritated and agitated. Actually, I am a high cholesterol patient and a anxiety control, not the patient. You're making me agitated, depressed. I have to work. I have a lot of works to do. You are
Can
making me calling me again and again saying the same thing, and I am saying the same thing for half an hour. I'm wasting my energy on with your conversations.
okay. No issue, sir. I'm highlighting it again. Customer
Okay,
support
thank you. Bye bye, Subhan.
enter. Okay. Is there anything else apart from this, sir?
Sir, please don't call me. Nothing apart from that. Thank you. Just hung up the call.
Well, thank you for your valuable time, sir. We hope you have a good day. Thank you.